Hi guys, this is Michael Joshua from EasyAssMarketing.com, and this is my second attempt at a Periscope broadcast. First one didn't go quite so well. Let me get this one set up. Okay, the thing I want to share with you today, I'm with EasyAssMarketing.com, and I've been building websites for about 10 years. I still have a couple of my sites still set up on HTML, but mostly I am on WordPress. So what I want to share with you today are the 5 things that you have to have on your website in order to happy up Google. And you can ignore these if you want, but the problem is if you don't put these on your website, you're probably not going to get indexed. So you need 5 things. The first thing you need is an About Us page. You need to tell people about you or about your group. Whatever it is that you do, whatever you're trying to do, you need to have something on there that helps people to know something about you. The second thing you need is a disclaimer and disclosure page. So if you are selling anything on your site, or if you're using affiliate links or commission-based information, hi, welcome Zach. If you're selling anything, you've got to disclose that on your website. If you don't, and Google sees you've got affiliate links, they're not going to give you very much push. The third thing that you need to have is a privacy policy. Now you can get a privacy policy all over the web. At the end of this broadcast, I'll give you a link where you can go and download one in a doc format that you can change to use for your own site. But you've got to have a privacy policy. You've got to tell people that what you're going to do with their email information if you gather it, and what you really intend to do. Sorry about my cat. He seems to think he has to stay on my lap. The fourth thing you have to have is a Contact Us page. Whether you want people to contact you via email or via phone number, you have to have a way that they can reach out to you. So get a Contact Us page. And then the last thing you need for Google is a sitemap. And this is really easy. If you're using WordPress, you can get a sitemap plugin that just builds it for you. All you do is set up the XML sitemap plugin, and it will build the page for you and go out and tell Google that you exist, which is what you really need to do. So those are the 5 things you've got to have on your site. You've got to have an About Us page, a disclaimer and disclosure page, the privacy policy, Contact Us, and sitemap. Those 5 things are what Google is looking for, and if you don't put them on your site, doesn't matter if you link them in the footer, in the header, or in a menu, you've got to have them where people can find them on your website. So I told you this is just going to be a very short video. If now that you've looked at the video, if you want to get I have a PDF of this information. You can go get it at EasyAssMarketing.com/Periscope free. Again, that's EasyAssMarketing.com/Periscope free. That will get you the PDF of the 5 things you need. And there's also a downloadable doc version of the privacy policy for you as well. And that will help you to get these pages built. I also would love to have you join my Scope family. If you want to go to bit.ly.com/Scope family, you can sign up to my list, and that will actually take you to Module 1 of a WordPress tutorial that I've done. You can get that and take a look at that Module 1 for free. I do have a 14-module video training package that's available, and you can get that. There's a link from Module 1 down in the description, but also if you just go to EasyAssMarketing.com/video-training, you will find the sales page. And let me see if I can show it to you right here. Here's the sales page. And as you can see, it takes you from getting your domain to hosting to installing WordPress, building your site. And it has a couple of testimonials. One of them, Aiden Booth. I don't know if you know who he is, but he's a pretty big name. He reviewed it for me. It has 14 modules. It also has some bonuses. It's got a bonus verbiage for some pages so that you can get all your pages that you have to have, these 5 we're talking about. 14 video modules. An update for HostGator because they use They used to use Fantastico to install WordPress, and now they use Quick Install. So I did a quick video the other day showing how to use Quick Install instead of Fantastico. Also, you get a bonus on how to build a fan page. You get the theme that I use in the training so that you can actually follow along from A to Z, and your new privacy page. Normally I sell this guy for $297, but because I am just launching on Periscope, what I've done is I've lowered the price for $197. So if you go to the link, if you click that button, you're actually going to get it for $197. If you've got any questions, reach out to me. Again, thanks for joining me on my first Periscope. Please join my Scope family at bit.ly.com/Scope family and check me out at easyaskmarketing.com. Thanks.